In this Adobe Illustrator tutorial, we will learn to create a blend illustration design for beginners. Select Ellipse tool. Go to Effect menu, choose Distort and Transform and select Zigzag option. Follow the setting. Go to Object menu and click on Expand Appearance. Now, copy this shape and paste in place. Go to Object menu and click on Blend, Make. Now go again in Object menu and follow the setting. Isolate selected group. Go to Effect menu, choose Distort and Transform. Follow the setting. Add gradient color. For more Illustrator, Photoshop, and AI tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.